Hi everyone. So today I'm going to share something very interesting that I came across at Meyer. They're from Pillsbury, filled crescent apple. And with this box, I can make 8 of them. And the best part is it has all the ingredients included inside the box. And the direction is also mentioned at the side, which is really easy to follow. So now I'm going to open the box and show you guys what I found inside. So as you can see, I have the dough on the right side. In the middle, I have the apple filling. And as you might also notice, I do have those chunk of apples inside the packet as well. And on the left side, I have the icing. And so here is the dough. And if you unroll it, it's gonna look something like this. So now you need to take a knife and cut on the dotted lines so you can get 8 triangles. And that's how each of the triangle will look like. So for the filling, put them near the broader end so it's easier for you to roll. I wasn't so good at rolling, but especially the closing of the ends were a little bit difficult. I'm not a professional, but I tried my best so the apple filling doesn't come out. So one of them is ready. Now I'm gonna do the second one. I think in order to make 8 of them, they should have added more of the filling to make it more yummy, but what can be done? I think the direction mentions to put them inside a microwave, but I'm gonna use air fryer, and I think it takes maybe 5 minutes. But to make it more crispier, I am adding actually total of 8 minutes. So as you can see, they are well baked. I wasn't able to make 8 of them because I was out of the filling. So I got 7. Now let's open one of them and see how the inside looks like. And as you can see, it looks really yummy, and you can also see the filling inside. And as for taste, it tastes sour and sweet because of the apple. So enjoy the recipe and bye.